Fine, fine.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Ah,
Many
yeah, fine.
congratulations to both of you. We
Thank
are
you.
so happy.
Yeah,
How do you feel?
yeah, I feel very proud, sir. Actually, when Faisal made me actually very, very proud, and particularly the KP team and all these things. No, okay, I'm really thankful.
Brilliant, brilliant. At the end of the day, we need good students
Yes,
like him in order to make them shine and make our teachers very happy when they get to teach such kind of students. That is very,
yes,
very important,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
I was telling Aditya, I said you need good students to bring out the best in good teachers as well. Otherwise, teachers get bored. They
Yeah.
come, we hire the best teachers from India with great difficulty. And when they come here, they're like, oh, I'm not getting that kind of students, who are preparing
Uh,
for IIT, who are working hard towards their goals. So they're very happy when they get students like this.
One thing I'll definitely tell you, sir. Actually, the KP teachers are really great because she actually, since the classes were online, in the beginning actually for so many classes I was also sitting actually with Faisal because I am also in touch. In fact, up to 10 I have taught him myself, and to my elder son up to 12 I taught it myself, and he completed computer science engineering from Triple IT Allahabad and now working in Oracle. So actually I am in touch, but not up to the extent of your teachers. They are really great. And I really found actually that that Faisal is actually getting training from the best teacher. Then I totally left him of
Wow.
KP, because I was full satisfied. Okay. And I was searching so many institutes, so many these, where should I put him and all these things. And with great confidence, I have put KP, and I can tell you that, I got 100% actually. Okay. More
Thank
than
you very much. Thank you very much for your kind
the
words.
teachers are really great. And I will also tell you, I had actually given, actually, you might have heard the Merit Nation actually to my elder son, okay,
Hmm.
for some time. And
Right.
with the impression that that Indian watching institute will be maybe better or something like that. But I can tell you with honesty that this KP stands far above than Merit Nations and all those things. Okay, they are they are not covering even CBSE level. Teachers don't have any concept. You know,
Sir, this has happened many times, a lot of times in the past, even our existing students have taken, let's say, some sort of coaching, even traveled to India, like with they've gone back, you know, they say, listen, I want to go back because I think I'll get better coaching there. And they come back after 1 or 2 months, and they've actually come back and told us the sort of
so
teacher, the sort of focus, the sort of consideration and care we got at KP, we did not find that in India in the leading institutes,
actually, exactly this why I've talked to my family 5 minutes ago. My one friend who works in Petrofac,
Hmm.
okay, in class 11, he sent his family to Delhi, and his son got admission in DPS Delhi,
Hmm.
DPS.
Hmm.
And today he called me, his son got 31,000 plus ranking. And
Hmm.
actually, he is too much struggling to find a college, and he's telling me, guide me which college actually I should give him. So it's my big mistake because he lost the DASA opportunity and he didn't get the proper rank. 31,000 with DASA, okay, maybe it is still okay. But
Yeah.
in India,
Yeah.
actually, there
Yeah.
is nowhere actually.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Bad decision.
And
So bad
these are
decision.
some of the things we always try to educate parents on. In our sessions, in our talks with the parents also, we keep saying these things. But sometimes people listen, sometimes they don't. But our objective, these are exactly the sort of things we have been telling parents so much that DASA is such a huge opportunity, and especially, sir, for this region where students are slightly less hardworking as compared to students back in India. So
Yes.
what happens is when the competition is 100 times less, DASA competition is 100 times less, not 2 times less, not 3 times less, it's 100 times less. It's it makes sense for people to use that opportunity. But I'm so happy for you, Faisal, what you have achieved, and both the attempts you've come out on top. And the biggest thing that we are proud of is you've broken all previous records. You're the
And
highest ever ranked. We've achieved very good marks. With these marks, your JEE main based admissions are all clear without paying any extra fee, without going through DASA quota. That's a huge achievement. You'll be able to get seats anywhere. So Faisal, look, I'm happy that your goal is realized in terms of going to IIIT Hyderabad, but our job is not complete yet.
Yeah.
You know, we don't have to get overexcited with what we have achieved. We will celebrate. It's not that you will not celebrate, but not right now. A lot of people will call you now because they will see your poster, they will see your this thing, etc. But do not bother taking any phone calls. Do not bother speaking to people for the next 20 days. 20 days is the last lap. We champions do their best in the last lap. We have to finish that last lap. Don't worry about the result. Don't worry about your preparation. You have to just give it your 100% best shot during that time. That is what matters. And without any distraction. That is super, super important.
Yes.
May I ask you something? So what is your routine like now? What are you doing? What is your waking up routine? And I'm sure you're writing your test papers and your mock papers, etc. now. What is the routine like?
The routine, I wake up at 8 a.m. every day, and I go to bed at 10:30, 11 every day. And
so,
yeah.
Mock papers, what's the routine?
I've not been giving too many JEE Advanced mock papers. I was kind of waiting for results. For now, I've just been solving PYQs for JEE Advanced. That's about it.
Okay. I'm going to give you one strategy which genuinely helps students every year tremendously. Okay, who are top performers at these exams.
Okay.
Please set up your entire day's schedule as per the day of the exam day.
Yeah, I've been doing this for JEE Main.
So JEE Advanced also now, good that you're doing it. JEE Advanced now, what you need to do is you need to be waking up at the right time that you will wake up on the day of the exam. You will write your first paper. You will take exact same break. Exact whatever. If you're going to take a nap, you take a nap. If you're going to get a snack, you get a snack. You do exactly what you're going to do on the exam day. And then you write this next paper also at exactly the same time. You want your body clock to be absolutely in line with the day of the exam. You do not want to wake up even 1 hour early, etc. You want to be at complete peace. Your body needs to be at complete peace and used to the rigor of the exam, because a lot of students, they struggle in JEE Advanced because they get too tired, because it's just 3 + 3 hours of very tough problems.
Yeah.
Right. So that is super, super critical that you adapt to that routine.
That's the right way. Yeah.
I mean, that's a very basic point. You know all this stuff. It's just that sometimes we miss the most basic elements, and I'm just here to remind you of those things.
In fact, actually, for the last 6 months, actually, he has exactly followed the routine of the JEE Mains examination pattern. And he was writing the examination actually in the true JEE Mains writing, actually this one, what is the name? The way the exam, like even wearing the mask and all those things. Because in the examination hall, we mask, so he was using the mask. And the same time, actually, when the exam is there. And the food time and all those things, at the same time. And
very good.
Just followed that.
And it shows.
Paper
It shows in your result, huh?
Yeah, 6 months he has followed that pattern. Okay.
Wow, very nice.
Actually, to be very honest, actually, he has a really, you can tell, honestly, I'll tell you that he has worked very hard, and that he got very good support also from the KB mentors. Okay. You can understand that, the Expo Tour 2020 came. He didn't show even a single desire to go there, and we entire family didn't go to see that also. And from all over the world, people came here to see. Because he was not going, and we also decided that why we will go unnecessarily. We'll tell him that, wow, we saw the good things and all these things, and he will regret, So he has sacrificed everything.
That is so good. You told me 2 things today, and I always ask, when students are super successful, I ask their parents for parenting tips, and you gave 2 such important tips. One thing you said initially, which you said that until 10th, you were personally involved in his studies, and even in 11th, you were sitting with him in KP classes, also online classes, to check the teachers and how he was doing, etc. That is so important. The family involvement. We always tell parents that don't think that you just drop your child to KP, you pay our fee, and it's over for you guys. The more involved and engaged you are in the entire process of your child's education, the more difference it makes in their education at the end of the day. So that's point number 1 you said. Point number 2, the sacrifice that you made as a family. You didn't just tell your child, hey, Faisal, you don't go, we will go because you have an exam. You guys yourselves did not visit Expo where everybody visited,
No,
right?
no, sir. For last 3 years, actually, our entire home is in examination mode. Actually,
Very commendable.
we have not went on vacation for last 3 years, even 3.5 years now. Okay.
Wow.
Actually, we tried to give our level best actually to best environment. When he is writing the exam, actually, even we are actually, you can say, pin drop silent at home, same like examination center, no noise.
Wow. And these things make a huge difference. And I'm sure you are so happy today, so proud today that all that hard work has led to something so
Actually,
great.
one thing I will tell you, sir, I found KP far better than any coaching institute in India, even LN and all. Because, see, these kids, 4-5 kids whom you selected, almost got one-to-one interaction.
Very true.
So I understand that, because, you know, I am in touch. I told you that to my elders and I taught myself, okay? And I am actually, I know physics, chemistry, maths, actually, also I can teach, but not to that level. So I know this, all these things, okay? So they got one-to-one interaction. This was not easier, actually. This is not possible in India.
Right. Right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, looking forward, we have to give it our 100% best, right? One huge milestone achieved. You have created history. Now that is huge. I mean, in times to come, this is going to be, your name is going to be around and spoken with, I'm sure, to so many batches of KP and in the Gulf as well, because we want to recognize this massive achievement which you have made. This is unprecedented. Look, JEE Main topper KP has been producing for 7 years in a row. This is the 7th year, right? But this year is really, really special because of your achievement. And we must recognize that.
Teachers are very good, sir. Actually, I can tell you with full confidence. Okay, I have seen a lot many teachers, and you know, at least 3 months I have attended your all the classes in the beginning, because my office was also online. Okay, I was sitting at home and the class in the evening. Okay, so actually I have attended more than 3 months all physics chemistry. Okay, when full satisfied, then I left. Otherwise, I was having alternate so many plans. You know.
Fantastic.
Very good, sir. Your teachers were very
great.
Good.
Thank you. Okay, if there's anything that you require, please feel free to let us know. You're already in touch, right?
Yeah.
Constantly. If there's anything that we can do to make your preparation even 1% better, we are here.
Yeah, I regularly text the teachers if I have any doubts or anything. Fairly.
Cool.
We got support, sir. There is undoubtedly, I mean, I cannot blame for anything. Okay. Instant support he gives.
Good. That is the culture that we have created at KP. We try our best. You know, when students are absorbing, it really makes teachers also very, very happy. And that's somehow the culture at KP. When we hire teachers, we hire teachers with the right temperament, with the right skill set. You know, aptitude is one thing, that they are good in their subject, but they're culturally, they have to match with our ethos, and that culture is very, very oriented towards making sure that students excel, students get the support, students get the care. So you will very rarely will you see a teacher who's very egoistical or angry, etc. at KP, because those teachers
very good
will
teacher.
Either not make it to KP or they will not do well here at KP.
But I must say that, you know, this Faisal also, actually, after joining KP, I am telling you very honestly, I felt a sea difference, because see, he was doing good actually in DPS, but not like there and all, because there was all-rounder. He's a very good candidate, very good actually, and he was doing good in Hindi also and social studies also. For that, he was a class topper. But Faisal has no interest in social studies, no interest in Hindi. So he was just scoring 85-90% marks and just leaving. With only 2 days study, he was doing that one. But his
You're
goal,
like me.
Yeah, but his goal was different. Okay. And this time also, actually, in the CBSE, he got 100 marks in maths, 99 in chemistry, 98 in physics. But in English, he got 90. Okay, because he in 2 days, who will study all stories and all, you know? Okay? Okay, but for JEE Mains, actually, once he joined and he got the best mentor, then I found that his dedication level totally changed. Okay, because here he found a student from different institutes. But
different schools, yeah.
In DPS, he was having competition. Only his peers were college class friends, you know.
Yeah.
But here, Indian high school and other like other so many school, you know. Okay.
Yeah.
I found that, you know, his enthusiasm actually multiplied many folds. And to be honest, actually 12 to 14 hours he was studying daily.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
12 to 14 hours.
Good. Good. Many, many congratulations once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
And you, we will get in touch soon. You right now focus 100% concentration on your JEE Advanced on the day of the exam. Do not worry. Even if the paper is very difficult, remember it's a relative exam. It does not matter howsoever difficult the paper is.
Yes.
You could be scoring, let's say 40% marks, 50% marks, whatever the number could be. It does not matter, because at the end of the day, it's your relative rank that will matter.
Exactly.
So if you find the paper to be extremely tough, remember it's tough for everyone, not just
Exactly.
you.
Yeah, exactly.
Do not lose your confidence or hope during that paper. At times we do get under that pressure of the exam that, oh gosh, it's difficult, I can't solve it. But remember, it's difficult for everyone. You just have to keep your cool and just keep moving forward.
Just drop that question and keep on going forward.
Absolutely.
Yes.
All right.
This is what we are saying.
Good.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
be in touch. God
Yes.
bless you. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.